No talk, guys. So today I have done some practice with Captain America to get the hang of him and understand how he really plays like. And for that, he became my most favorite character in this game. Here's why. You see the way how Captain America works, he give you a lot of health, but not a lot of attacks. And even with a full combo string, you might not even kill the weaker character there. The way how he is used, he is meant to be like a nuisance character, like a person that evoke aggro against the opposite team. You see, as Captain America, while I'm chasing the healers and the problematic characters, my teammates should be capitalizing on the confusion left at the wake of me disrupting the opposite team whole entire flow. You see, Captain America, he is a monster when it comes down to going after the healer types or the problematic character because he just don't die, and as long as you find a health pack, you'll be fine.